how to invite someone to a Zoom meeting. So if you want to invite someone to a Zoom meeting, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, or you can also go with your Zoom application. So in my case, I'll just simply go with my browser and then search for Zoom, which is www.zoom.com. You need to go with that, and then make sure that you've logged in or signed into your account. Go with sign in, which will be in the top right. If you don't have an account, you can go with sign up and then create an account. Or if you already have an account, you can go with sign in. And once you've logged into your account, you need to go with join a meeting, or you can also schedule a meeting. Now, once you're on your meeting, what you need to do is just simply go with the participants section, which will be on the bottom. Once you go with the participants, you'll get this kind of interface. On the right side, you will have yourself as a host, and you will have all of your participants. Now, if you want to invite someone to a Zoom meeting that you are having, you just need simply go with invite, which will be on the bottom. Once you click on invite, you'll find the option of contacts, email, or Zoom rooms. So you can also copy the URL or copy the invitation link and then send it on your Facebook, Messenger, or Instagram, WhatsApp, anything that you're comfortable with. Or you can also choose from the list and type to search. Or you can also go with your email and then choose email address. Enter the email address of that person and then go with send, which will be on the bottom. You will have the password right here. Give them the password of your Zoom meeting. So from here, you'll be able to invite people or someone to a Zoom meeting. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.